In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this particular payment. This particular one also, this 14.13 USDT. Another payment of 7.6 USDT. Including this $14. This 21.8. And lastly, this 6.4. And I'm also gonna do a live withdrawal on this video. So if you like this kind of video, make sure you watch this video attentively, and please, before doing any other thing, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you like videos that show you guys payment proof and every other thing. And also don't forget to drop a like on the video. I take my time to make this video and share it to you guys. So let's dive into the main video. So the platform, or should I say the bank we're talking about today, is none other but Chow Bank, which I've been promoting on my channel for a long time and this video. And I also promise you guys that I'm always going to be making videos whenever I reach the certain amount of withdrawal and I want to make a withdrawal on it. I made you guys this promise and I'm fulfilling the promise. So Chow Bank is a platform, or should I say a bank, based on Hong Kong, where you can make a fixed deposit and buy a bond, and it will keep on generating revenue for you, which you can be withdrawing every day through cryptocurrency or other way of earning of withdrawal every single time you reach minimum withdrawal in the Hong Kong bank. So they deal with Hong Kong banks. And so before doing any other thing, let's go ahead and see how Chow Bank works. So if you click over this three dotted line, you see the social media handle, their Telegram channel, their Telegram, their YouTube, their Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So let's go over to who we are, and if you go over to who they are, according to them, you will see what they said on their platform. And according to them, they say Chow Bank is a proudly part of the outstanding global future corporation. Chow Bank was opened in 2022 to raise capital and expand the ecosystem of the Flourish Global Enterprises Group Corporation. Don't worry, just follow the link in the description. Sign up and you can read all these things for yourself. And if you go over to this place, you see that according to them, they say they have 1,000 bank employees, 78,000 plus 5 issued credits to 27,000 plus bondholder base, and one of their bondholder also, and 120,250 debit card holder. I'm also one of their debit card holders. And if you scroll down a bit, you can also see the CEO of the Chow Bank. His name is Xiang Chang. According to the platform, his name is Chow Bank, and they also ask you to give your own feedback in case you have. So what does the bank do for you? All these things is what you can see when you sign up and read more about them. You can also check out their roadmap and their white paper in the when you click on this three dotted line icon over there. You can also check on it, and if you click on white paper, it's going to take you over to their white paper where you can read more about them and see their business plan for you. And lastly, this is the copy of certificates which was obtained by Chow Bank, and this their co-members. This is the deposit insurance and certificates of mandatory deposit for insurance. You can see all the certificates being given to Chow Bank here. You can check out with the link in the description to know more details. And this particular last certificate was signed by this particular woman. So enough on the introduction, back to the platform. So how this platform works, just like I said, the platform works and deal with Hong Kong dollar, but you can also use cryptocurrency to what is. So as you can see on my account, I'm currently having 50.68 Hong Kong dollar, which if you convert it in USD, it's currently worth $6.44. And if you convert it to euro, you can see that it's currently worth 5.93 euro. So let's go over and see how the platform works. So the one that I normally use, apart from every other thing that the bank shows, the one that I normally love and use is this particular bond over here. But first of all, make sure you have verified your account. Make sure that your account have been verified with your necessary documents. So if I go over to this bond over here, you will see, because I normally love to go over with bond, and right now we still have this particular bonds over here that is still working for us. This series of bond is going to be exited soon, because this particular one is going to be giving you either 0.2% every single day until 3 years. 3 years, guys, is when this bond is going to expire, and you will get a lot of profit from it, and minimum to buy from it is 10 bond. Why this particular one is going to be giving you 0.25% every single day for 3 good years, and minimum bond to buy in it is also 10 bonds. And if you go over to this particular place now and you select the cryptocurrency you want to use for it, or you can even use ePay, Alipay for it. So if you can scroll on and use any cryptocurrency of your choice. But as for me, on my previous video on where I do a live deposit on it, I use TLC 20 USDT because it gave me the actual amount of what I'm actually doing. So 10 bond is going to cost us 127.1 USDT. So that is what it's going to cost us. So, and this particular bond is for people that are going to buy it in a week time, because this particular bonds being given to us is about to be folded, and they will bring another new series of bond, which I'm going to show you guys on the Telegram channel now. And on the Telegram channel, as you can see, the new bond is going to stop. The sale of these particular bonds which we are using is going to stop after 2 weeks. This was sent a week ago. It's remaining around 7 days or below for this particular bond that we are using to stop selling. That means people that are using it with us, those of us that have already bought it, will not be affected. But the new people that are going to come in the platform, the next after the 2 weeks expiration, the countdown, is going to be buying this particular new ones that they are giving. But this particular one is going to last for 2 years, and it's no more for 3 years, guys. So this particular one is going to be giving you 0.45% every single day. Maturity is going to be 36 months, which is 2 years. The same thing goes to the next bond, which will be giving you 0.55%, and is going to last for also for 2 years. And value of minimum purchase is 10 bonds, and the two of them minimum purchase is 10 bond. And within, as you can see what it says, within 9 months of its founding, Chao Bank have become the powerful new bank. The bank is now in a phase of rapid growth, and Chao Bank its recognition in 2023 has increased significantly thanks to the digital marketers and the bank agents around the world. Keep an eye for new bond series on this website, Chao Bank. So that is it. That means that after some days coming now, the bond, this particular bond that I'm using, is no more going to be on sale, and they will bring out another new sale of bonds, and it's going to be for 2 years, no more 3 years. So that is it on the bond update. So back to the site, let's assume that you want to buy a bond, depending on the one that you later buy, maybe the new one or this particular one that I'm using within some days coming. So what you have to do is to select the cryptocurrency of your choice. Once you select in it, click on buy bond, and it's going to lead you where it's going to give you a wallet address where you will copy it and deposit the exact amount of USDT or cryptocurrency which is given to you, and make sure you deposit the right network of cryptocurrency. Once you're done depositing and your blockchain confirmed it, the bond will automatically be opened for you. And as you can see over here, I'm holding these 2 bonds over here. The first one is the one giving me 0.5% every day, and the second one is the one giving me 0.2% every day, and every week is giving me total of 50 Hong Kong dollar, 50 point something Hong Kong dollar, and which is what I'm withdrawing every single week, guys. So that is it. So I have explained everything about Chao Bank. You can also earn by referral, which if you click on this particular dotted line, scroll up a bit, you will see your referral link. Just copy it and head over to where you can get referrals. So that is it for the referral, and now it's time for me to withdraw my account balance. So if I click on an account over here now, it's going to load up a bit and take me over to my account. So first of all, if you want to withdraw, make sure that you have linked your wallet address and your Google Authenticator app. So next thing you have to do is to make sure that you click on this particular place that says CVC and copy your CVC code. So copy it and head over to where to withdraw. And as you can see, I've copied my CVC, and now it's time for me to withdraw. And on the withdrawal tab, as you can see, minimum withdrawal is automatically 50 Hong Kong dollars. That is 50 Hong Kong dollars. So what I have to do now is to edit it. Since I have 50.68, I will edit it to 50.68, which is going to be sent to this my wallet address, and it's going to be 6.44.1428 USDT. So the next thing is to click on this particular place that says next step, and once I click on next step, it's going to ask me for this my CVC code. So I will enter the CVC code and click on withdraw. So if I click on withdraw, as you can see now, the withdrawal request have been successfully sent. Please wait shortly while it's being processed. So the withdrawal of 50.60 Hong Kong dollar have been sent to my account. So let me, until the thing land on my account, I will continue the video. And after some minutes, my withdrawal from Chow Bank down landed on my account successfully. As you can see, 6.44 USDT is now successfully deposited on my Trust wallet, which I always withdraw from. So this is it, guys. This is how you can be using Chow Bank and be making tons of USDT for yourself. So I think I gave you guys value on this, and I hope you guys got value from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate. Drop a like. Tell me what you think about the platform in the comment section. Anything you want to tell me in the comment section. I really appreciate your own review on my channel. This is it, guys. Remember, as speaking is saying, a financial advisor. I always said it. I'm just a random guy doing videos on things that is working for me, and anybody that follows it will also get the same result that I get. This is it, guys. My name is remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.